Hey everyone, I'm unboxing the Solana Saga smartphone. Now, this is made by like a crypto company, but as far as I know, you don't need to have anything crypto related to use this phone. You can just use it like a regular Android. Now, this used to be $1,000 with the price cut. It is now 600. I was contemplating getting this phone, but I'm glad I waited because even for the price, it was decent. I mean, it has some decent specs. You got 12 gigs of RAM, half a terabyte of storage, 120 hertz refresh rate, front-facing speakers, which was under the camera. I didn't even notice that until I played something for the first time. And I do like that the fingerprint reader is on the back, and it's very fast, very responsive, better than my old phone. And it does have wireless charging. And so I ordered the phone and the case and the screen protector off their website. The main downside so far about this phone is, yeah, it's not like a mainstream phone, so don't expect to be able to buy like tons of skins or cases and stuff for it. Just kind of got to stick with what they sell in their store for now, maybe. Unless there's some stores I don't know about. So the box was pretty tiny. I mean, it has the phone and it has this nice cable. Little booklet you get is just going to be like a quick start guide and a little pin to pop out the SIM tray. Right, also there was a little paper so you could write down your seed phrase on it. And yeah, I believe that was everything that the phone comes with. So now we just turn on the phone, just ripped off that little screen protector, and as you can see I'm using my previous phone to record its replacement, which is kind of messed up. But yeah, so when you turn it on, it shows the Solana logo. So I mean, setting it up was just like setting up any other phone I've ever bought, just kind of standard setup. So one of the differences with the setup though is you do get to make a seed vault. So this is supposed to be like a little safer crypto wallet, but it is still connected to the internet, and I'm not smart enough to tell you what the differences are, so be careful. So I was very curious about the Dapp Store, and it's kind of unique to this phone. And so yeah, it's just decentralized application store basically. It's just like Play Store, iOS's, and yeah, you can build stuff and I guess put it on here. The only thing I recognized was Brave, so we'll see how much adoption this gets. And yeah, it only works with Solana. I swear they said they were gonna make it work with other crypto networks, so we'll see in the future. You do seem to get like this little care package in the form of like a, I don't know, I guess an NFT if you claim it from the Play Store or the Dapp Store. You get some rewards, which is kind of cool. You get like 20 bucks and a little bit of Solana so you can mess around with it. And yeah, it's a whole ton of fingerprinting and accepting stuff. But by the end of it, yeah, you get your rewards. So yeah, you got 0.01 Sol, and then I think give me like $20 in USDC. You try out the Helium mobile network for 30 days. And just, I don't know, some random rewards that I guess you can just kind of get with these stickers or like NFTs or something. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I wasn't really expecting anything. Like I said, I just kind of wanted the phone for the specs, so it's just kind of nice bonuses, right? So yeah, you do get the Sol and the little care package and this NFT. It says it's non-transferable, and so make sure you're connected to the right wallet you want to use. So like I said, I was having trouble finding like screen protectors, cases, or whatever, so I just bought theirs, and it's a hard plastic one, the screen protector, and it works good. Just be careful with dog hair or just hair in general, debris. I mean, I was wiping repeatedly, but somehow one still got under the screen, and you're just kind of doomed after that. So as for the case they sell you, it is a clear one, which I thought it was gonna be like a black one or something, but I actually don't mind a clear one. I also do have a random wireless charger in my home, so I tried it, and yeah, it just magnetizes and charges it wirelessly, which is convenient for me. I mostly use wireless charging for my car, but I do want to check it in my house real quick. Now I'm just showing the Helium thing, those SIM cards that they gave me. I was curious about how good they were, and so it's like 25 bucks for unlimited data. So yeah, I'll just figure to show a speed test for that real quick, and then maybe like a quick benchmark. So I just googled a random benchmark. I don't really know much about benchmarking for phones. This one, Wildlife, on the 3D Mark thingy, that's what it scored. I thought it was good, but then I realized the one it goes to right away is Wildlife Extreme, which I did not do that benchmark. I tried it and it scored very low. And so, which was like 700 on or something like it. The frames were like super slow on there. And then, so I did regular Wildlife, which is what I'm filtered by now. And as you see, the top one was like over 10,000. And so this phone scored all the way down here. It was like just under 37 or something like that. So yeah, the Saga would be down here. I don't know, maybe it's not optimized for gaming or benchmarking. I don't really know much about this stuff. But all I can say is, for me personally, the phone feels great at the very least. It might not benchmark great, but so far it feels really good. But I figured I'd show it in case people want to know. So I was curious about the dApps on here, and so yeah, I went in Tulip. They have an app on here, which is nice. And it's super simple, but yeah, you can only loan single assets. On the website you can do a bit more. So yeah, I'm sure it'll get updated. It's just kind of cool that they actually have this now, and I'm looking forward to updates. So the last thing is, I guess, that I can remember to show at least, the camera, obviously. It seems fine. It has HDR, it has 4K, 60 FPS, 30 FPS, 2K, and I don't know, pictures look like pictures to me. My dog looks like my dog still. It's good enough for me. So far, overall for me, I think the phone was very much worth it. Like I said, I wanted a new phone. I try and upgrade every 2 years, and I try not to buy the $1,000 ones. So for 600, I got 12 gigs of RAM, 120 hertz refresh rate, fingerprint reader on the back, front-facing speakers, Dapp Store, wireless charging. So yeah, there was a lot of good stuff that I personally like, and it was worth it for me. If you guys have any questions, I'll try and answer them. Just let me know.